morning to you all, respected principal, and to you all my dear friends. We, the players of under-17 girls state champion team, this ceremony pledge that we will represent our school, academy, and our state with pride, honor, and dignities at the national level. Sobratum Mukherjee Cup 2026. We promise to play with discipline, honesty, respect, teamwork, and true sportsmanship. We will obey our coach, officials, and the rules of the games at this time. We will all give our best efforts in every training sessions and every match, never give up, and always supporting one another. We pledge to uphold the values of fair play, maintain good standards on and off the field, and strive to bring glory to our state and our nations. Thank you.
We now come to